Hi, this is Trevor with Embers Fireplaces and Outdoor Living. We're giving you a look at Everdure's charcoal products. You probably saw our video on the large one. Wanted to show you the small one and have them side by side so you can see some of the differences between the two. The exact same features, just like on our larger model. You have your rotisserie here, and these are all convertible. If you wanted to hide that, and then you can lift it back up here to the different sizes, and then it's very easy to put this back on. So all the features are the same, all the warranty is the same. You're just going to get a smaller platform here, and we'll show you what they're like portably, but this basically lifts off of the stand here, and then this turns into a tabletop or a portable model. So that's really the difference. If you didn't want the larger size and you don't need to be cooking for large parties all the time, this may be a better option for you because you're still getting all the high quality parts, same functionality, still has the igniter for the charcoal, but it's much smaller and then convertible too. You just lift it right off the platform. And we'll show you there is an accessory that you can get for this platform, which is going to be a cooktop setting or cutting board type setting. So you can use this platform as storage if you wanted to, while simultaneously having this on a tabletop, kind of using them as two different functionalities there. So that's some of the comparisons between the two. This is obviously going to be better for storage, for large parties, if you host a lot of people at one time, maybe even in a commercial application, whereas this is going to give you more versatility, a little bit easier to use, but not quite as much storage and obviously not as much cooking space. So that's some of the comparisons between the two. We'll show you what the tabletop looks like. Thanks a lot for checking out this
Thanks so
video.
much for checking out our channel. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to our channel by clicking in the upper right hand corner. Thanks a lot for checking out our video today.